Welcome back once again to the ESA News Desk. I'm Ed Highland. I'm here now with Cheung, who's with Sinexcel. Henry, thank you so much for coming by.
My pleasure.
Let's talk about Sinexcel. Tell us a little bit about the company and its role in the industry.
Okay, actually Sinexcel is start with power quality product and is mainly focused on the power conversion solution. Right now we move forward with product more than the power converters, and we are providing the semi-integrated system to this industry.
Give us some thoughts, if you will, about sort of where you see, what are some of the innovations that Sinexcel brings to the table?
Okay, actually we found that for the CNI application, which is our main sectors, so for the commercial and industry users, they demand varies with their power ratings, power range, and a lot of things happened on their demand and the load, right? So that is something we think we should find a solution for that. And then based on our modular design product, we're offering the turnkey, or we call it the semi-integrated system, and it's compatible with various products, right, including different chemistry, right, like lithium-ion battery, lead-acid battery, flow battery, and supercapacitor. So in that case, we can provide something more flexible and more compatible product to the sector, right? So I personally believe our solution could definitely help our customer, including different integrator, right, different battery vendors, to try to make simplest solution to the user, right? So every people know that the compatibility and the flexibility is very important to the market, right? So the more people use the energy, then the more market or the more bright future of the energy storage will be.
Can you give us some thought about why it's important for your company to be here at ESA Con? How important it is to make the connections and actually get to see people face to face?
Yeah, actually I think that to be presented here is quite good experience. Actually we have been here for 3 years, and every year we found that the change on the market, right, especially on the main sectors we are focused on, right, for the residential community, for the commercial and the industry applications, right? So there are so many different people coming from cities, from different industry, right? They have quite a lot of demand to request more energy storage to be benefit to their life, to their business, right? To reduce the cost of the bills, right? So we found that the face-to-face talking, face-to-face discussion really help people to understand what do we generally bring to the customer, bring to the market, right? And it helps also for us to understand better about the market sectors, about market demand, right? And I personally think that with this kind of conversation, we are more confident about the current solution we are offering to the market. And besides that, we also notice the certification is quite important, right? And that's the reason why we invested quite a lot on the certification of all of our product from 30 kilowatt to 500 kilowatt range, right? And then make it compatible and to be more flexible.
What do you see happening for your company, for the industry, over, say, the next year or so?
Yeah, we found that it's quite exciting. We got a lot of visitors visiting us, and we saw a lot of new projects coming out, and we also have quite a lot of projects in our pipeline, right? So it varies from the residential community to the small and large commercial and also the large industrial sectors, right? So all these people have real demand to get money from the energy storage, right? Not only just looking for fancy stuff and just trading for the green solutions or something on the paper, right? So it's a really commercialized sectors. So we're quite interesting, quite exciting about the change brought by the incentives and also the application.
I was going to say, is this translating into more jobs, perhaps more expansion of manufacturing, all of the above?
Exactly. Actually, I was saying that there are more jobs will get involved on the installation, commission, and service, right? And actually, I believe that there, with the growth of the business, based on our special technology, modular design, we could definitely bring more jobs here by local assembly, local service, right? And we really highlight the importance to work locally, right? To be a local partners for every people.
Well, the company is Sinexcel. Henry, thank you for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you very much for your time.
This is the ESA News Desk.